Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, my dear sisters and brothers. Today I will talk about the daily routine of a good Muslim, inshallah. A good Muslim starts the day with Fajr prayer, perform all 5 prayers on time and recite a little Quran every day. During the day, he remembers Allah through zikr and dua. Stay honest, speak kindly and respect parents, family and others. He ensures his food and earning are halal, subhanallah. He keeps himself and surrounding clean and share useful knowledge every day. Patience, forgiveness and controlling anger are very important to be a good Muslim. At the end of the day, he remembers Allah again with dua and zikr before sleeping. Always trying to live a life pleasing to Allah. May Allah grant us with the same routine to be a good Muslim. Thank you.